Pre-stretch the balloon for modeling, size to 160. This is necessary to increase the elasticity of the balloon. Inflate the balloon with 3 pumps. Let out some air for 1 second. Press the balloon at a distance of 3 centimeters from the beginning and tie a knot. Make a bubble the size of 5 fingers. Please note that all twists need to be done only in one direction. Pinch the end of one bubble between your index and middle finger. Make 2 more bubbles the size of 7 fingers each. Connect the beginning of the second and the end of the third bubble together and twist 3 times. This element of twisting is called a lock. We continue the training. Make 1 bubble the size of 1 finger and 1 more lock the size of 5 fingers. Mash the balloon a little to distribute the pressure and make 1 5-finger sized bubble and 1 5-finger sized lock. Mash the balloon a little to distribute the pressure and make 1 bubble the size of 3 fingers. Cut off the end of the balloon to release the air, make a knot and cut off the excess part. Look, you've got a balloon dog figure that consists of 3 locks and 4 bubbles. Train to grow. Thank you for watching us.